So now, picking up the thread from there only, Varun, like if there is a mediation clause or a mediation agreement, can the parties directly approach the courts or initiate arbitrations, even if there's a mediation agreement or a clause?
See, we have seen in again drawing the conclusion from the Arbitration Act. I will say Arbitration Act only now. So yeah, so we have seen with the presence of the arbitration clause or an arbitration agreement, if you go to the court, there's always an objection, and there are plethora of judgments by the Supreme Court and the Honorable High Courts also, that in the presence of a arbitration clause or arbitration agreement, the parties cannot directly approach the civil courts or any other courts. Obviously, there are certain exemptions under which law the same cannot be done. But yes, as far as the mediation is concerned, I would say it will have the same meaning if the parties have resorted to have mediation under this Act, Mediation Act 2023, then this will have the same effect as the arbitration, that first the parties should go through the process of mediating and see if there is a possibility for resolving the disputes amicably. In case the mediation fails, then the parties may resort to the litigation through regular courts or so.
Yeah. Although the Act is silent about it, but what you're saying is quite reasonable and logical, and maybe this jurisprudence develops as this Act is put to the courts, that if there is a clause, courts may surely direct the parties to first utilize the mediation mechanism and then only approach the courts. That's quite.
Otherwise, the requirement of adding this clause or putting it in the agreement is completely wasted.
Is wasted, and if that was the intent of the parties while putting the agreement, putting that clause, they might as well they should be complying with that. And otherwise, the objective of the whole mechanism will be defeated. Yeah, if they were to approach the court for the arbitration directly.
Welcome to Complinity Technologies. Complinity is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. Complinity is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000+ laws and 24,000+ compliances. All in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities. Is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose Complinity every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use Complinity. Automating your compliance management. Request a demo at complinity.com.